Marcelo ka rin.
Okay, baby, open mo din. Ay, monkey! Monkey there! Yes, kitten. Baby, oh, monkey there, oh. Monkey. There, baby monkey. Ay, baby. Ay, anik, hawa kami kapatid niya. Thank you po. Say, monkey. Baby monkey, anik ka, itaas mo. Daddy, baba ka. Nakita niya yung monkey.
Come.
Anik ka, pakita mo dito
Look
yung
at the
monkey.
next one. Akin na. I'll do it.
Baby, itaas mo siya dito. Baby, look at the monkey. Baby, look at the monkey. There, monkey, oh. Baby, hi, baby monkey. Huh?
Here, Maya's here.
Ma. Okay, mommy open. Mommy will open.
Mommy, the car.
Okay.
Car.
Car.
Okay.
Ah,
Mommy, na open.
open.
Okay. Papa, the dinosaurs. A car. A car.
Anika, open mo to. Paki-open mo. Yung Kinder Egg niya.
Can the egg
Open.
die?
Oh, yung egg. Yung laman ng egg. Boy, get.
Get the spoon. Wow. Now I'm open. Wow. So cute.
Edward.
Banana. Mommy. So big. Mommy, look, the flower.
Yes, flower.
Edward, ayaw ma-open. Edward, the baby,
Oh, baby, ah. Oh, spoon.
Good.
Oh, eat.
You.
Throw this na.
Hawakan mo yung ano. Yung,
Put in here.
oh, eat na. Ay, tanggalin mo na yung buong cover nito. Tanggalin mo na lahat ng cover.
Iwan na tayo.
Oh. Oh, eat na. Ay, baby, oh.
Ah, pig.
Wow, there's pig. Come here, let's go inside. Baby pig, oh. Hi, pig. Pig. Monkey. Oh, go there. There's monkey there.
Cheese!
Baby.
Wow! Mami, salamat naman daw po.
Ani ka dito ka. Tayo ka dito. Hi! Baby, oh.
Bye!
Oh, here na. Baby, here.
Okay, so let's go po ma'am for bus number 1. So yung mga tapos na po mag-picture, dito na po tayo. Then, yung mga nagpi-picture po, sunod lang naman po tayo. Dito lang din naman po tayo. Let's go, kuya.
Let's go to the monkey.
Good.
Louie is there, oh, Louie. Louie.
Later, we will go inside sa kabilang side na lang po.
There they go.
We will start here in the cages of eagles for birds. When you look up inside to see the Bermuda eagle. There, oh. You see? You see the eagle?
Wow.
Oh, what's the color of an eagle? White. Yes, very good. The body is color white and their wings is color brown. It's called the Brahmini kite. And then, yes, it's color white and
Where?
brown. So their prior diet, so they eat only fish. Bluebird where? Yun, you can move forward po. So, ano nyo na natin ma'am yung case natin na nasa taas po yung ating mga eagles. The Brahmini kite eagle, or called as lawin in Tagalog po. So, their prior diet is only fish because they only live in falls, yung ating Brahmini kite eagle. And then next after Brahmini kite is the Philippine serpent eagle. There, kuya. Ayun. Dalawa sila sa taas. You see? We have the dot sa kanilang katawan. You see? There. We look up. It's called the Philippine serpent eagle. So they are the hunters of snake and the python. This one po, yung ating third flightless largest
Baby, oh.
bird is called the southern cassowary.
Baby, oh.
Yes, ma'am. Cassowary bird po.
Baby.
So later po, we will go inside the aviary.
Ay, oh, good, good. Go inside. We'll go inside.
Yes, yung ating big bird. The southern cassowary. Yes. Oh, what's that, kuya? Where's the Philippine grass owl? There, oh. There, kuya. Look.
Ay, baby.
Oh, look at the eyes of the owl.
Owl, big.
Oh, yes, the owl. It's
Big
one of our
eyes.
nocturnal animals. They only active in night. The owl. The Philippine grass owl for their specific common name ng ating bird. Yes. They have big eyes.
Ah, there, baby. Oh, another bird there.
Yeah, so same as the eagles, like the Brahmini kite, the Philippine serpent eagle, the Philippine grass owl, and the changeable hawk eagle, they eat small animals. Mostly yung ating mga reptiles and the amphibian animals. Ayan, ito po yung ating last eagle, kuya. Ito, no? The changeable hawk eagle. What's that, kuya? Oh, so later yung wild boar, we will go inside here in the aviary po. So please watch your steps lang po ha, dahil naglilinis pa po. Medyo basa.
Okay.
So, watch your steps, kids ha. Watch your steps.
Ay, kahawakan ng kapatid mo.
Careful. Yes, very good. So for bus number 1, we will go inside po. So it's called the aviary because it's the house of
Ay,
birds.
baby.
So you will see a different
Duck,
kinds of
baby, duck.
birds
Duck,
po.
duck.
So yeah, watch your steps po.
Duck.
Ay, mabasa.
Duck.
So inside the aviary, we have the southern cassowary for our third flightless largest bird. And then the
Hinahabol niya.
for the peacock and the turtle.
Edward, careful. Where's the duck, baby? There's the duck. The ostrich, ostrich. Baby, ostrich, ostrich. Baby, hold the duck, hold the duck. Hold the duck, hold the duck.
Look at mommy's face.
Okay. Wow! Baby duck, oh, duck clear.
Itan, ulo ko. Itan, duck. Duck.
tilapia. Gusto niyo bang mag-fishing?
Yes, adopt. Yes.
Breakfast ngayon? Oh, gutom na ako. Gusto ko ng tilapia. Ayan. So, nandiyan din po yung ating Indian blue peafowl for the peacock and the peahen. Yung ating four birds po, ang ating identification po for male birds, they are bigger and colorful. Or sila po yung mas matitingkad na kulay po. Yung ating mga male birds and also
Anak
for
ko
the ducks.
naglulublob pero hindi nababasa.
That's why we have the example of the
Hindi
peacock.
nababasa yung balat.
And yung peacock po,
Ay,
sila po
lumalabog
yung
siya.
more
Pag-angat ko tuyo
colorful
siya uli.
sa kanilang body.
Nag-ano lang yung tubig. Yung nag-ano lang yung tubig sa kanila, parang may wax yung ano nila.
Hindi naman sir, yung feeds po talaga yung pinapakain sa kanila. Yung ating mga duck. Ayan, so ayan po yung ating peacock. It's called the peacock for male. And then yung female po, yung nakaupo po na nandun na color brown lang. And then for peacock po, once na nag-open yung kanilang wings, ang ibig sabihin po no is mating season. So gusto po nila makipag-mate sa ating female na peahen. So kaya very rarely lang po sila nag-open ng kanilang mga wings. Yan yung ating maraming kulay at maraming parang tinging mata sa kanilang pakpak po. And the mallard duck. Ito po yung
Ay,
ating mga
sorry,
mallard
sorry.
duck.
Ay, baby, anak, baka madulas yung kapatid mo. Baka
So
malaglag.
careful lang po kids for bus number 1 para hindi po tayo madulas.
Yes. Oh,
Water.
go na, go na.
And the peahen. Ayan po yung ating female. The peahen.
Daki.
So careful lang. And the southern casuary. So sila po yung may trivia for the World War II. During World War II, they get a lot of soldiers. Because yung kanilang claw is very sharp po. Yes, kuya. A very big bird. It's called the southern cassowary. For our third largest flightless bird.
100.
Yes. Aviary.
Other dog.
Ayan, so after the aviary for the birds, we have here the wild boar.
Wow!
Yung ating baboy ramo in Tagalog.
Ay, ang
Ayan po,
cute!
oh. Very big.
Ang cute!
And then they have a large fangs for the female. And then yung mga
Ang
male po, sila po
cute.
yung
Ang ganda
mga
naman
maliliit
nila,
lang.
bahay nila na maayos
Small
yung ano.
fangs. Yes, the pig. They're also called as the wild pig, yung ating wild boar.
Ang cute, ang cute. Oh, tingnan yung pangil na isa.
Kaya
Oh.
mukhang gusto niyang umumaya. Yes. It's very scary. Let's go.
Come na, Louie!
Okay, after the wild boar, we have the pot-bellied pig. So for wild boar, they are one of the largest species of pigs. And then this one po is the pot-bellied
Ah,
pig.
yung cute na
So the
baby.
pot-bellied pig is one of the smartest animal in the world. Ayan po yung ating pot-bellied pig. And they are domesticated, so pwede po sila maging pet. Because
Ah,
they are
pwede
very
kaya
smart.
papaliguan mo.
And then sila rin po yung pinaka-smallest species po ng ating mga
Tingnan mo.
the pot-bellied pig.
Ang
And
cute
then they
ka ng tupa
originated
dun,
from
ang
Vietnam. Mga Vietnam pig
Oo,
po
mga
sila.
Vietnam yan sa
Yung ating
Vietnam. Pag,
pot-bellied pig. And then they also called as pot-bellied pig because yung kanilang belly or yung tummy nila is parang katulad po ng palayok na malalim po at bilugan. So yun po yung reason, that's why we call as pot-bellied pig. Yung ating mga
hindi mo naman
smartest
naalaga.
animal. Yeah, so mababait naman po sila, hindi po sila katulad ng ating wild boar talagang nangangain o nangangagat.
Cute.
Ito po mababait po sila.
Mabaho din sila.
Hindi rin naman po masyado, ma'am. Kasi malinis lang din naman po sila sa katawan eh.
Ay,
Yung mga-
di sila
opo.
ano sa
Ang
dumi.
ano po kasi sa kanila, yung buntot nila, madalas pong nagwiwigil. Yung parang hindi po sila anuan ng mga insects or ng mga langaw.
Ayun, pag dumudumi sila,
Natuturuan po sila, ma'am.
ay, natuturuan sila
Yes,
kung saan
pwede
dumumi.
po sila turuan kung saan po sila pwede dumumi.
Ah,
Kasi
pwede.
ano po sila, Hindi naman katod mong wild boar, ma'am, pero... And then this side po tayo, sir.
Edward! Edward here!
Pizza, meron tayo dito.
Edward! Edward here!
Ayan, bumubla ni ate para hindi kayo matalisod. Thank you. Oh, here naman tayo, ate niya. Here muna, oh. Here muna, kuya.
Baby! Baby! Ani kayong kapatid mo.
So, ito po yung ating mga local dogs or local birthday. So, yan ang ating mga nasa aviary.
But my ma chicken.
Ating Muscovy duck. Ito po yung ating Muscovy duck in the geese. And then the hybrid European chicken. So, big size
Duck!
chicken.
Duck! Duck! Duck baby! Duck!
I can get chicken.
Nakasagot.
Ayan, sila yung tatlong bibe.
Ay.
Yung ating mga geese. Yes, we also have the chicken. O mamaya meron na tayong fried chicken and tinola. Kakainin natin sila. Ayan yung ating mga geese. Alam niyo yung kantang tatlong bibe? O yung latest na shark?
I'm the puppy.
Yung baby shark na ata yung alam niyo eh. Hindi na alam yung tatlong bibe. Dito po, sila po yung ating mga local birds or domestic animals po natin. Later, we have dinosaurs. We will see the pterodactyl here. And then, ito naman po yung ating horn. Hindi po na kuya, oh. Sure, oh. Horn. Yes, you have the big elbow in the land animal. Sila po yung merong pinakamalaking
Ang laki ng ano nila.
ng ating horse. And then for the fastest horse in the world, it's
Diba?
called
Ang
Billy.
pasaya ang bahay nila.
Means Billy.
Malaki.
Ating horse.
Malinis sila,
Of
oh.
course, kaya tumakbo na
Malinis, oh.
50 miles per hour. Yung ating pinaka-fastest record for the horse is called Billy. Alam niyo ba ang tawag sa ating male horse? It's called the stallion po. For the male horse, it's called the stallion. And then yung ating female po is yung mare. Yes, you see the crocodile? Oh, where's
Ay,
the crocodile?
Akala ko
Hindi po mo. Is it a real crocodile?
Delikado kasi
Oh.
yan eh.
Doon po yung ating mga real crocodile sa pinaka-beauty natin.
Totoong crocodile. Okay.
Yes, we have real crocodiles.
Come, baby! Crocodile
Oh,
here!
let's go here pa. And we also have pigeons there, oh. They're fighting yung ating mga pigeons kanina.
Baby love! Baby love, come here. Hindi naman ganun kabaho.
Ating musang. There, oh.
Ay, musang din. May musang daw.
Therefore, there's common name, and it's called musang in Tagalog. Ayun po siya. So, this one is one of the nocturnal animal din po siya. Pero siguro na-disturb na lang po siya, kaya active po siya ngayon. Ayan po yung ating may trivia na coffee alamid, yung pinakamasarap at pinakamahal na coffee.
Ay, oo. Kinakain yung ano.
Yeah, so yung po yung
Kinakain yung pupo niya.
Because in the wild or in sa forest po, ang kinakain ng ating common pang-sipit for ng musang is coffee bean. So kaya kapag binumito nila yun, yun po yung kinukuha, may process naman po para maging isang masarap.
Kasi malinis. Amoy kape nga siya, no? Diba? Oo. Oo, kape din. Kape pa rin.
Yung aking crocodile. Our 14-feet saltwater crocodile. She's the biggest crocodile we have. Yung ating saltwater crocodile. No?
Baby crocodile.
You want to go inside, Kuya?
No.
No, yes, it's very dangerous.
Tulog.
Yes, ma'am. On rest push or natutulog po.
Ba't may mga isda? Kinakain niya yun?
Kapag yung isda, ma'am, malalaki na, yes, kinakain niya po. Pero kapag ganyan po, live chicken po yung binibigay po sa kanila. Talagang hahabulin po nila
Umaakyat
yung
siya
ano.
doon?
Yes. Yes.
Baby, oh, crocodile. Mukhang bato.
Saltwater crocodile. So, same as Lolong. Si Lolong po kasi yung pinaka-record holder po natin for our longest.
Pero totoo
Yes,
yan.
yung ating longest record for the crocodile, si Lolong po siya. So,
Parang
it was
bato.
21 feet and 10
Mukhang
inches.
bato.
Yung pinaka-size ni Lolong.
Sleeping crocodile, baby.
Yung
Sleeping.
ating cave.
Asan yung kapatid?
Yeah, so yung ating mga crocodile and alligator po kasi, they are not active to move because their weight is heavy. And then they are waiting only for their prey, yung kanyang target bait, yung kanilang kakainin. But once na meron pong pumasok sa kanilang pinaka-habitat or environment, yan, tsaka po sila gagalaw. So mas mabilis po ang crocodile kaysa sa alligator. So we have 3 types of crocodiles po kasi. We have the saltwater crocodile or the crocodile, and then the Cayman crocodile. So ang Cayman crocodile, yung kanilang kulay po is yung medyo light, yung light color, the Cayman crocodile and the alligator. And so magkakaiba po sila ng light. So for the crocodile, ang pinaka-identification po nila is yung kanilang pinaka-head shape. The crocodile is B-shape or victory. So kaya ang kanilang head shape po, patusok po yung pinakadulo. And then yung ating crocodile, short head lang po sila pero malapad. So mas malakas lang po yung ating mga alligator dahil yung kanilang pinaka-head po is malapad. Pero mabagal po sila unlike the crocodile. Same lang din ma'am, crocodile din po.
Ay, hindi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tulog din.
Yes ma'am. Kasi talagang hindi sila ganun po ka-active.
Gano'n ka lang.
And then yung ating crocodile,
Baby
the alligator,
crocodile,
they can live up to
Baby.
80 to 100 years in the
Crocodile.
wild. Yeah, so ganun po kahaba ang kanilang lifespan. 80 to 100 years in the wild. So pero once na nasa captivity sila or nasa kulungan lang po, mas na-short po yung kanilang pinaka-lifespan. Kasi hindi po sila nakakapag-exercise at din talaga sila nakakapag-survival.
Crocodile.
Ayaw gumalaw ng ating mga crocodile.
Pagpunta ka dun,
Ayun
kuya,
lang po
para
talaga ma'am
gumalaw.
yung pinakamas
Ganito age
malaki
ni Edward
namin.
na nag-start
14 feet.
mag-school.
Ito po is 12 feet.
Di ba two?
Pero siya po yung mas matagal na po sa amin.
Kuya, pumunta ka dun para gumalaw.
Hindi kasi tayo mamahawad po eh. Zookeepers.
Gagalaw
lang
yung
po
pag
pumasok
nakakita
eh.
ng tao.
Gumalang po yung mga crocodile.
Baby crocodile again here, oh.
Ayaw
Look.
gumalaw nila eh.
Baby, oh.
Kasi yung next naman po, mga small crocodile na alam po siya. So ito lang po yung aming dalawang big crocodile. Yes, so it's the picture of the crocodile. Yes, it's
Sleepy.
sleeping.
Come on, baby love. Let's go now.
Hello, wait. Hi crocodile, wake up! You want to go inside to wake up the crocodile? No. Yes.
See.
Yes, we also have the turtles. You see the turtles?
Go the turtle.
The other side? Where's the turtles? No more na?
Oo. Ano na kasi, 19 na siya.
And then left turn na lang po.
Nagbe-build niya yung ano.
Yan, yung
Pero
ating
malaki
mga
na siya.
reptiles.
Malaki
The
na siya
crocodile, the alligator, they are reptiles and they are
Dapat na siya
carnivores.
mag-diet.
Yes, anak ko, hindi natin nakita yung sheep and lamb and goat na ating mga farm animals.
Nadaanan
It's inside
Ay, di ko
what
nakita.
we call it, the petting zoo. Yes, the snake. Later, you will see the snake, kuya.
Ay, may maliit na crocodile, oh.
Kuya, oh.
Anika, oh, ayun, oh, may maliit na crocodile, oh. There, oh. There, oh. Ah, cute, ang cute. Labas yung ganong ngipin. Pero kahit maliit lang yun, nakakata.
Yes, the giraffe. Yeah, yung ating also one of the reptile animals like the crocodile and the alligator. They are cold-blooded animals for reptiles. That's why
Asan?
they like to stay in the cold place. Yung ating
Ay,
mga
ayun.
reptiles, animals. The monitor lizard or bayawak. So they are one of the nearest family for the Komodo dragon. So Komodo dragon po kasi yung pinaka-biggest lizard. Kaso wala lang po tayong sample.
Ay,
Later, you will see
Baby,
the
oh,
reticulated
Carabao.
python. Ah, what's that?
hi, Carabao.
Yes, the Carabao.
Oo nga.
The Carabao or called as Bubalus bubalis.
Kasi
For
hindi
their
raw sila
scientific
makapagtanim
name.
kaya
Yan,
nalulungkot
ating
sila.
Carabao. So mostly
Gusto
they
nila
found only in
magtanim.
province. Yung ating
Okay
mga
yun,
Carabao.
Oo.
What they're using for? Spider. We have a lot of spider here.
Wow, baby giraffe like
Oh,
that.
giraffe, oh. You like to take a picture with the giraffe, kuya? Yes.
Baby,
It's a big
baby.
giraffe. And
Baby.
Edward,
Edward,
the
come here.
ostrich.
Edward,
So
come
our
here.
largest flightless bird. So,
Edward,
maybe
come
nakita niyo
here.
yung ating third, which is the southern.
Anika ko, ay may kapatid mo.
Ito na po yung ating pinakamalaki.
Anika ko, ay may kapatid mo. Dali mo dito.
Ostrich is the flightless largest bird and also
Anika ko, ay may
the
kapatid mo.
fastest running bird in land.
Kain mo, dali na.
Yung
Kain
ating
mo.
second largest po is the emu. Wala nga lang po
Andun,
tayong sample of the emu bird, which is our second flightless largest bird.
Cute oh.
Yung ating ostrich. Yeah, so they
Kain
can
mo,
run up
kapatid mo.
to
Patay lang.
60
Oh,
to
pipicturean
90
kita.
miles per hour. That's why they are the fastest running bird for a flightless bird. The
Oh, kapatid mo, kain mo na. Dali na, kain mo ni kapatid mo.
But the ostrich, yung kanilang brain po is very small. So ang kanilang size of the brain is piece of corn. Or kasi laki lang po ng ating mais. The brain of the ostrich. Pero yung kanilang eyes is very good because they can see microorganisms. Yung ating ostrich. Look at that. Ayan. There oh. A very big bird. Yung ating flightless largest bird, the ostrich. Very, yes, with the smallest brain but the fastest running
Baby,
bird.
come here.
And then their eyes.
Big bird, big bird.
Microorganism. Ayun po yung mga
Baby. Alika dito, tapat mo ka. Dali,
yung
baby
kanilang
John.
size of egg is also,
Ostrich!
Come on, go
very
there.
big. Yung kanilang
Hi, big bird.
Hi, bird!
composed
Hi,
of 24
say hi.
pieces chicken eggs po, yung pinaka-size ng ating
Baby, say hi. Hindi naman yan.
Tutukain ka niya. Nakala mo nagbibigay.
Baby, oh.
Marius, picture beside the bird. Come on, Marius.
Oh, come on, go there.
Oh,
Marius.
stand there, go.
Oh,
Marius.
Marius, picture. Ah, ang cute.
Marius, picture.
Dito lang, okay, dito. Takot siya. Ano din siya eh. Sanay na sa tao. Come on, baby Edward. Come on, let's go. Anika, brother mo.